Now, good morning, dear children. Today we start here new chapter of class 4th, exercise 6.1, and in this exercise, this chapter is fraction. First, I will tell you what is fraction, what do you mean by fraction, what is the definition of fraction. So, dear children, a fraction is a part of a whole or a part of collection, or this is the definition of a fraction, and this is the second definition of a fraction. When we divide a whole part into number of parts, each part is called a fraction. Once again, when we divide a whole part into number of parts, each part is called a fraction. For example, suppose this is a one box. This is a one box. When a fraction is a part of whole or part of a collection, means this is a part. If we divide into a 4 equal part, so each part is 1/4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, and 1 upon 4. Okay? So dear children, 1 upon 4, the collection of whole part means this part, this part, this part, and this part equal 1 upon 1 equal 1. Means this is the fraction. So dear children, and when we divide a whole part, we divide here one box into 4 equal box, and each box is 1/4. Suppose second example, this is one box. We divide into 2 parts, 1 and 2. So 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. So dear children, 1 upon 2 is a fraction. So when we divide a whole part into number of parts means more than one parts. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each part is called a fraction. And fraction has 2 parts. One part is numerator and second part is denominator. First part is numerator and second part is denominator. A fraction has 2 parts. First one is numerator and second one is a denominator. We write here numerator upon denominator. Numerator upon denominator. So we write, suppose 5 upon 6. We read 5 upon 6 or 5 by 6. This is a fraction. Okay? So dear children, now the next, there are so many types of fraction. First I will tell you proper fraction. Proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? 5 upon 6, 7 upon 9, 8 upon 2, 4 upon 12, 8, 4 upon 7. And second is improper fraction. Improper fraction, 7 upon 2, 8 upon 1, 15 upon 3, 14 upon 2. Dear children, can you tell me what is the difference between these fractions? Proper fraction and improper fraction. Can you tell me what is the difference between? Look at here. Here each fractions in this line and in this line. Compare it. In this line, each fraction's numerator is less than denominator. This is the numerator. Just I told you, numerator upon denominator. So numerator is less than denominator, means denominator is greater and numerator is smaller. But in these fractions, here numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. So the definition of a proper fraction having the denominators are greater than numerator or numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction, and improper fraction numerator is greater than denominator or denominator is less than numerator is called improper fraction. Okay, this is a proper fraction and this is a improper fraction. Now the next is like fraction. What is a like fraction? 1/4, 5/4, 7/4, 3/4. Here look at here. All these denominators are what? All these denominators are equal. So all denominators are equal. So this is a like fraction. If all denominators are different. So this is an unlike fraction. This is an unlike fraction. Okay, and one is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, a correction of just 2/3/5. Means 2/3/5. This is a mixed fraction. 4/6. Okay, 2/3/5, 5/4/6. This is a mixed, not only mixed fraction, mixed proper fraction. If we write here this type, suppose 3/7/2. This is a wrong mixed fraction. This is a wrong mixed fraction. ये गलत है, रॉन्ग है. क्यों रॉन्ग है? क्योंकि ये होल में तो नंबर लिखा है दिस इज 3. ओके, बट दिस इज अ improper fraction. Here numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. But in the mixed fraction always should be proper fraction. Means your numerator is this type. Numerator is less than denominator. Okay, so this is a right fraction, but this is a wrong mixed fraction. Okay, आप याद रखिएगा कि कभी भी जब भी हम कभी मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन लिखें तो हमारा न्यूमरेटर कभी भी डिनोमिनेटर से ग्रेटर नहीं होना चाहिए एज मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. बाकी में आप किसी में लिखिए 19/2, 20/3, 100/5, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बट यदि आप मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में ऐसा लिखे तो आपका मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन ही रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. आपने मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन को रॉन्ग लिखा. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन डियर चिल्ड्रन. सो जस्ट आई टोल्ड यू mixed fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, and this is the definition of a fraction. And the two parts, a fraction has two parts. One part is numerator and second part is denominator. Once again, I repeat the definition of fraction. A fraction is a part of whole or part of a collection. और means या ये सेकंड फ्रैक्शन है. ये मैंने अपने से बताया, आपको लिखा है when we divide a whole part into number of parts. Each part is called a fraction. Okay? Now we go to the exercise 6.1. Now dear children, today I told you introduction of fraction. What is fractions? What do you mean by fraction? How many types of fraction? And what a fraction has two parts of fraction, numerator and denominator. So next video I will tell you exercise 6.1. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.